I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first you just go down, click on manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just find here settings, you just click on it. Then you go down, just keep going down, you will find here roles and permissions, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to join a profile here, clicking this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here join a profile, enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all I wish know you I give it. Thank you for your watching. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.